Hello everyone. In today's question, it is given that x is equal to square root 7 plus square root 3 upon square root 7 minus square root 3, and y is given to be square root 7 minus square root 3 upon square root 7 plus square root 3, and we are to find the value of this expression x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus x plus y whole thing raised to the power 4. Okay, so first, let us try to simplify this value of x. It is given to be root 7 upon root 3, root 7 plus root 3 upon root 7 minus root 3. Okay, so first let's rationalize this. Okay, so we multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 7 minus root 3 is in the denominator, so we multiply with root 7 plus root 3 in the numerator and denominator. Okay, so in the numerator we have root 7 plus root 3 whole square, and the denominator we use a square minus b square formula, and after computing we get a square is 7, b square will be 3 plus twice a b. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 2, a is root 7, b is root 3, so if you product it will get 2 root 21, and in the denominator a square is 7 and b square is 3, so a square minus b square will be 4. So it comes out to be 5 plus root 21 upon 2. Okay, similarly for y it is root 7 minus root 3 in the numerator and root 7 plus root 3 in the denominator. So if we follow the similar steps as we did in the above case by rationalizing, here we will get root 7 minus root 3 whole square in the numerator upon root 7 square minus root 3 square, which will give us 10 minus 2 root 21 upon 7 minus 3 is 4, so we get 5 minus root 21 upon 2. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so now let's find what is the value of x plus y. Okay, so it's 5 plus root 21 upon 2 plus 5 minus root 21 upon 2. So if we add this, since denominators are same, we'll get 10 upon 2, which is 5. Okay, and similarly the difference x minus y, five minus root 21 upon 2, which will give us the 5 and 5 will get cancelled after taking the LCM, and it will be in the numerator will be 2 root 21 by 2, so we are left with only root 21. Okay, so these are the two values we have computed thus far. Now we have to find x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus x plus y whole thing raised to the power 4. Okay, so we have found the value of x plus y to be 5, so we can find the 5 raised to the power 4. But what we are to do in the case of x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4? There is no direct formula, right? There is no direct formula, so let's try something else. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 can be written as x square plus y square whole square. And if we write it like this, the extra term that we'll get will be plus 2x square y square, right? Okay, so we have to subtract 1 2x square y square. Okay, because if we expand this, we will get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2ab term will be 2x square y square. So we have to subtract this. So now if we go above, x plus y is 5, x minus y is root 21. Okay, also one thing we have to note that x is root 7 plus root 3 upon root 7 minus root 3, and y is root 7 minus root 3 upon root 7 plus root 3, right? So if we look carefully, we see that y is equal to 1 by x, right? It is the reciprocal, so we get xy equal to 1, right? Fine. So we can use xy equal to 1, x square y square also will be equal to 1. Now what about x square plus y square whole square? Now x square plus y square is x plus y whole square minus 2xy, right? Okay, so let's try use that one for the first term, minus 2x square y square. Okay, so now x plus y is 5, right? So this is 5 square minus 2 times xy is 1, right? So 1 whole square minus 2. This is xy whole square, right? So we can again write 2 times 1 whole square. Okay, so we get 25 minus 2 whole square minus 2. So this is 23 squared minus 2. So 23 square is 529. We have to remember this squares up to the first 30 natural numbers. 23 square is 529, 22 square is 484. The next one is 576, 24 square, then 625, then 676, and so on. Okay, so this is your x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Now we have to find the final value, which is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus x plus y whole thing to the power 4 is this. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is 527 plus this is 5 raised to the power 4. X plus y is 5, right? X plus y is 5, so this is 5 raised to the power 4. 527 plus 625. So this is like 27 and 25 is like 52, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So I believe the answer is 52. 7 plus 5, 2, 2 to 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 and 6, 11. Yes, this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.